To be able to get ebooks from the library for your tablet or smartphone device, first download the free OverDrive Media Console mobile app from the Apple App Store, Google Play Market, or wherever you get apps for your device. When the app finishes downloading to your device, tap to open it. The OverDrive Media Console mobile app will display. Now you will need to add a library to check out ebooks from. For Apple devices, tap the Menu button in the top left corner. For Android devices, tap the OverDriveApp icon in the top left corner. For both device types, the screen will slide right to display the app's menu on the left. Tap Add a Library from the menu options. Type Allegheny County Library or the zip code of your local library branch into the search box and then tap Search. Find Allegheny County Library System on the list and tap to select it. Allegheny County Library System will now appear on your screen as shown. Tap the star next to Maryland's Digital Library to turn it yellow. This will make Maryland's Digital Library appear when you tap to get books in the future. Now tap Maryland's Digital Library itself to begin searching for ebooks. Before you search for ebooks, log into the site by tapping Sign In on the top right side of the screen. This will enable you to see Advantage ebook titles available from your region, as well as ebooks available from the statewide collection. Type Allegheny in the box and select Allegheny County Library System from the list that appears. Next, type your 14-digit library card number and your PIN in the spaces provided. Tap Remember My Login information on this device to save your library card number for next time, and then tap Sign In. There are two ways to search for ebooks. The first is by tapping one of the subject categories in the red banner at the top of the screen. If the type of book you like isn't listed, tap View More to see a more complete list. To see the subject categories on small screens, such as those on smartphones or 7-inch tablets, try turning your device sideways to expand the screen or tap the Menu button. A second way to find ebook titles is to tap in the search box at the top of the screen and enter title, author, or keywords. To make your search more effective, tap the Advanced Search link just below the search box. On the Advanced Search screen, shown here, you can search for particular titles, authors, and subjects, like mysteries or westerns. Additionally, you can choose to see only those ebooks that have been added to the consortium collection within a particular time frame. You should also limit your search to Adobe EPUB eBooks in the Format area, as that is the format that you can read on the OverDrive mobile app. Once you have located an ebook that you would like to check out, tap Borrow to check out this title. If the title is already checked out to someone else, you can tap Place a Hold to put a hold on the book and check it out when it becomes available. If you borrowed the ebook, you will be taken to your bookshelf on the consortium site. Tap Download. Tap EPUB eBook from the drop-down menu and then tap to confirm and download it. A message may appear to allow you to choose where to save the ebook file. Tap OverDrive Media Console. Since this is the first time you have used the OverDrive Media Console mobile app, you will need to authorize it with an Adobe ID. If you already have an Adobe ID, tap Settings when prompted and enter your Adobe ID and password in the appropriate fields. If you do not have an Adobe ID, you will first need to create one by tapping Get ID and entering the required information on the Adobe website. Then open the app settings as already indicated to enter your new Adobe ID and password. You only have to do this the first time you use the OverDrive Media Console mobile app. Once the OverDrive Media Console mobile app has been authorized with your Adobe ID and password, the ebook will download to your bookshelf on the app. Tap the title to open and read the ebook. This concludes the tutorial. Please visit the site often, as new titles are always being added. Also, for any additional assistance or questions, please contact your local library.